Hi, my name's Paul Elliott and I'm a Business Transformation Executive at Sharing in Growth. In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about implementing an area of operational excellence within your business and share a few tips on how to make that successful. First of all, what is operational excellence and why is it important? Operational excellence is a business management approach that aims to achieve sustainable improvement and drive efficiency into a business's operations. It involves a systematic and continuous effort to streamline processes, reduce waste, optimize utilization of resources, and deliver high-quality product or services to the customer. The ultimate goal of operational excellence is to create a competitive advantage and enhance the overall performance of an organization. The SiG approach to delivering operational excellence through the lighthouse concept is designed to balance a holistic, cross-functional approach with one that efficiently delivers results that will be sustainable. The lighthouse concept involves creating an area of best practice that becomes a shining example of operational excellence. This area becomes a beacon of inspiration and motivation for other areas within the business to emulate its practices and achieve similar levels of success and performance. Lighthouse areas are chosen strategically within the business and focus on those areas that are important to it achieving its business objectives and customer requirements. Here are my top 3 tips on creating an area of operational excellence. Firstly, be clear of what the objective is. What is the focus area? Why is it important? And what are the tangible measures of success going to be? And how do they align with the business objectives and strategy? Secondly, engage the people. Culture and leadership are as important, if not more important, than the technical enhancements you'll be making in the area. The human being and not just the human doing. Try to create an emotional connection between the team and the people on the project with the project itself. Consider using your vision, mission and values from your organization and truly understand what will drive the team. Thirdly, measure progress and celebrate success. Visualize the plan and the ongoing status of the activity. Ensure that the timelines, targets, actions, responsibilities, and the resources required to complete the project are fully understood. Then take the time to reflect, celebrate, and promote the success throughout the activity. The key thing to remember when striving for operational excellence is to focus on the delivery of tangible results. Create a movement where continuous improvement becomes part of the everyday job. Visualize the journey and celebrate success to bring people along with you. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to know more about operational excellence and the support Sharing in Growth can offer you, please visit our website for a free business consultation.